The next step is updating your email signatures. Believe it or not, we use email today, and depending on what demographic you are, how old you are, I think we all know that, but depending on how old you are and what you do, your use of email will vary. Now, I'm going to leave the camera for a section because this isn't just me looking into the screen and just talking to you the entire time. This is me showing you hands-on things about how you can update your email signature, about how you can really put yourself out there in the world and get ready to freelance and travel anywhere. So this is how you update your email signature professionally. So this is super fun and easy. All you need to do is go onto Google and type in email signature creator or free signature generator. You want to probably put email there so they know what you're talking about. And then just find a link. For example, here's mailsignatures.com. Just click around. As you see, you can actually put in your personal data or your company data. You can put in graphics. And then it creates something that looks like this. All you really have to do is copy this afterwards and then add this to your mail settings. So what you're going to do is you're going to type in your name. In my case, it's Nader. Last name Nader Najad. And then my job title. Actually, yes, I'm a sales and marketing director, but right now I'm a teacher. So I'm just going to put that in. And also put in your email address. Email here, your phone number. So this is going to show people when you're actually doing your sales and you're actually going out there and you're trying to find business. Every time you send an email to somebody, this is pretty much going to be an advertisement. And you don't have to use any of the resources that I actually recommend to you. Do the things I tell you to do, follow closely, but you don't have to use mailsignatures.com. In fact, I don't even know who they are. All you have to do is find one that suits your liking. Obviously look for recommendations on the internet. It's always a good thing to do. But all you really need to do is just, type it in. Just type in email generator signature. Get your search terms correct. That's very important. As you can see, there's also mysignature.io. Let's see this. Create a free email signature. I like this one better. This is pretty sleek. And you see, if you have a picture of yourself, getting professional photography done is really cool. If you have a picture of yourself with a white background, you can do something like this. This, I think, is really cool. And as you see, you can change the design. If your company or your theme is kind of like red, you can choose red. And then you can really change anything you want. Social networks go here. This is an advertisement for you, like I said, every single time. So update this information, and in order to add it to your email, all you're really going to have to do is copy this, and depending on what mail provider you are, look it up on Google or just paste it in. If you're on Gmail, there's a settings tab, and then you have an option. It's just a little gear in the corner. You'll have an option to actually copy and paste this, or even there's other ways to do it. You can actually, depending on the generator, you can actually copy everything to a clipboard. So just look around and copy your signature and put it in your email. If you need help with this, if you can't find a way to do it yourself, because it's different with every provider, that's why I don't want to demonstrate on my email. It's also pretty confidential, my own email. But what I recommend doing is just sending me a question and answers in this course, and I'll help you out. So after you've done this, oh look, the guy's floating. Everybody should know what you do, and the world will be ready to hire you.